Welcome to Grammar Practice English Course Online 31. Today's grammar points. Pronunciation of ED endings. Let's learn how to pronounce the ED endings. Pronunciation of the ED endings of regular past simple and past participles. The ED endings can be pronounced d, t, or id. ED ending pronounced t. When I have a voiceless sound, no vibrations in your voice box, yet strong sound just before the ED. Liked, laughed, faxed, washed. Watched, stopped, cooked, danced, kissed, fixed. ED ending pronounced d. When I have a voiced sound, vibrations in your voice box, yet soft sound just before the ED. Begged, loved, allowed, calmed. Compelled, judged, honed, learned. Aged, played, called, cleaned. Offered, damaged, loved, breathed, used, followed, enjoyed, amazed. ED ending pronounced id. When I have a sound t or d just before the ED, then we need to add a vowel sound to hear the ending. Ended, wanted, nodded, waited. Decided, folded, needed. That's it for today.